In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Google to find out the correct pronunciation of a brand name you might have come across. The brand in question is Shein, a popular online retail store, but the pronunciation isn't as intuitive as the spelling might suggest. So let's get started on this small yet handy journey to finding the perfect way to say this name. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Google homepage. A straightforward step, but make sure you're there by simply typing Google into your browser's address bar and pressing enter. You should see the familiar search engine interface, a blank search bar in the center of the page, waiting for your query. Now, in that search bar, type in the phrase how to pronounce Shein and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results, the vast majority of which will be related to the pronunciation of Shein. This part of the process underlines Google's capability to quickly pool together the vast resources available online, all in one convenient place. As you scan through the results, look for a feature often found within Google's search results when asking these types of questions, a pronunciation guide. Sometimes you may see a snippet or a box explaining how to pronounce the word right at the top. If it appears, you might also notice an audio button next to it that you can click to hear the correct pronunciation. If it's not immediately apparent, a helpful step is to look for the option labeled Show More. You might see this option in the expanded drop-downs that often accompany searches like this. Clicking it should provide additional information or resources, perhaps pointing to videos, guides, or forums where pronunciation is discussed in depth. Alternatively, instead of rummaging through different parts of Google's interface, you might directly look for the option labeled as the Sign button. In some contexts, this might be another path to accessing detailed phonetic information or community discussions on pronunciation nuances. Finally, don't overlook another tip you can try: checking for highlighted sections within these results. Sometimes Google will highlight segments within various resources